Hi all, welcome to the series of interview questions in front end. Today we'll be seeing yet another very important question in JavaScript. This is a very simple question, okay? Is JavaScript a compiled languages or interpreted languages? This is the first question. And will I be able to find issues before getting executed? Okay, this is the second question. You know Java and all, what you would have done? You would have first compiled, made a bytecode out of it, and then give that bytecode to the Java executor, and it will execute. In JavaScript, do we have such a step? No, we mostly in scripting languages we don't have. JavaScript, if you take, it is just interpreted line by line by the browser. By the browser, I mean in the browser who reads the line one by one and executes it? It is done by the JavaScript engine. This JavaScript engine varies because this JavaScript engine is different for different vendor. In case of Chrome, we have the V8 engine. In case of Firefox, we have SpiderMonkey, and for Opera, it is different. Likewise, so so this so the answer will be it is read line by line. Okay, it does not get compiled into a bytecode, and JavaScript executor does not execute it. It doesn't happen that way. It executes line by line, okay, by the JavaScript engine. That's why it is said as interpreting. There is no compilation step to JavaScript. Okay, it is interpreted line by line. So it is called as interpreter. Okay, but because of this, but we lose a benefit, right? In case of Java and all, in compilation, when the Java code gets compiled, when you do Java and the file name, you will be able to find issues with your code. But in case of JavaScript, only if the JavaScript engine reads that line, it will be able to tell you the issues. So you have to wait till that point. Maybe you should go for that proper use case to reach that line for for the JavaScript engine to tell you the issue. So that's why we have the TypeScript, which brings a extra step to you, like the compilation step, which tells you the issue beforehand. So that's what we say. So the after the TypeScript, it gets compiled to compiles or transpiles to JavaScript. So by means of TypeScript, we get that extra step of compilation, which compiles your code and tells you the issue beforehand, before getting transpiled into JavaScript. Now coming to the next question. Will it be able to find issues before execution? No. JavaScript by itself, you will not be able to find the issue with a particular line until the JavaScript interpreter or the engine executes that line. Okay. Maybe I will can tell you, maybe I can show you example. Okay. Maybe I will have a simple constant function. Okay. ff maybe ggg. Name it func. Okay, I will name it function. I will say if 1 not equal to 1, so it will never go to this statement, and I will say console, maybe intentionally will make it wrong. Okay, okay, I'm just doing this. It is not able to execute that function, not roasted anywhere. Okay, Maybe we have to put another bracket. Sorry, I missed to put another bracket. That's the issue there. Okay. Now the function is ready. If you normally put it, you will get an error, right? If you put it, it will say there is nothing called console.log. You see this. But if I execute this function, okay, maybe I will do it once more. Maybe I will name it func1. We will reduce all the extra spaces, right? Okay. But when I execute this function, you can see it will not tell you any error because the interpreter never goes inside this line. So it will never tell you this issue until and unless you have a use case. Maybe you develop the code, you give it to the client. Maybe at a particular use case, it goes inside. That time the client will be able to find this issue, which is which when client finding the issue, which is developer not finding the issue, client, it will be a big issue, right? So that's what. So the answer to the second question is JavaScript will not be able to find issues with the code unless and until it is executed. That line is executed. That's it. So that's what I want to make you clear. Okay. Thank you. See you in tomorrow's question. Thank you.